Downtown Tower, helicopter 724 Hotel.
Helicopter 724 Hotel, Downtown Tower.
724 Hotel is at the signature ramp requesting a present point departure to the west with Juliet.
Helicopter 724 Hotel, departure will be at your own risk. Proceed as requested.
As requested at my own risk, 724 Hotel.
Downtown Tower, Warrior 6394 Charlie, we are 7 to the east, inbound Juliet. November 6394 Charlie, Downtown Tower. Make straight in, correction, enter the right base runway 1. Straight into the right base runway 1, 94 Charlie. 94 Charlie, just the right base runway 1. Confirm.
Downtown Tower, 724 Hotel, like to turn south and then depart east on the south side of the skyline.
Helicopter 24 Hotel, proceed southbound, and you said you want to turn east where?
Just on the south side of the skyline.
Number 24 Hotel, Roger, requested.
As requested, 724 Hotel. Enjoying sharing this with you, Jude. Look out this window, Julie. Look out this window.
Downtown Tower, 6394 Charlie. I'm going to come around on that right base for runway 1 south of the building. 94 Charlie.
They must have a lot of fireworks.
Charlie, Roger, south of the buildings. And November 24 Hotel, you want to go east from your current position?
We'll be exiting the Bravo to the east from our current position, that's correct.
Alright, 24 Hotel, fly northbound and I'll call your crossover to the east.
Turning north, 724 Hotel. And we have 4 Charlie in sight, 724 Hotel.
24 Hotel, maintain VFR separation from that inbound traffic and then proceed on course.
Maintaining separation and proceeding on course to the 724 Hotel.
And number 24 Hotel, he's going to be turning out on the right base south of the downtown buildings.
We'll maintain visual separation and make sure that we're down below him, 724 Hotel.
idea of the helicopter inside, just southwest of the downtown building.
Traffic to site, 94 Charlie.
Bottom, buddy. Look at the moon, buddy.
Oh, behind clouds.
I think we're gonna go. We'll go out and zoom around Oak Grove, and I think we'll go home. Okay?
And I get my cake, maybe. And we're gonna blast off fireworks. Win-win. Right? A win-win if I get my cake. To wave.
You think they see you?
No, they're probably focusing on fireworks. They probably see the helicopter.
Kilo, contact ground point 9.
They probably see
Right
the
on Kilo,
helicopter.
contact ground.
Probably.
94 Charlie.
Downtown Tower, 724 Hotels. Clear the Delta to the east. Thanks for the help tonight.
Helicopter 24 Hotel. Have a good night.
And thanks for working the holiday weekend. We appreciate it.
You're welcome, sir.
those people are saying happy birthday to America.
By doing fireworks.
You know why we light off fireworks?
Why? Is there like candles to Earth?
No. It celebrates what people saw when we were fighting our war with Britain, when we were fighting for our independence. So when people sat on ships and sat in ports, that's what they would see. All of those would be like cannons firing from ships. All those explosions.
Oh, but it looks a lot prettier.
It looks pretty now, yeah. You know, our national anthem, it says the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. That means that they wouldn't still be bombing us on the fort. So while he was writing that song, he was looking out, and he knew that as long as all those cannons were still firing and the rockets were still booming, that meant that America was still there, that we were still a country. So when I'm flying up here and I see all of those people celebrating America, I think about what it must have been like to be a soldier back then. And while it's happy now...
It's like dangerous, but fun dangerous, right?
Yeah.
Please summit traffic, Cessna 7328 Tango, transitioning about 7 miles southwest of the airport. We're at an altitude of 3,200. Please come. Circle traffic to the 587 back 10 miles north of the airport, down
You want to go home and land?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Pretty impressive, huh, buddy?
So I can maybe get a piece of cake.
Okay.
And we're gonna shoot off.
That's how we turn. It's called pendular force. Like when you swing a pendulum,
I have no idea what a pendulum is.
like a weight at the end of a string. Alright, Dad's landing, so think about your questions and hold them, okay?
Okay.
East Kansas City traffic, helicopter 724 Hotel. 1 to the east, currently northbound, descending through 1600 East Kansas City. Kansas City traffic, helicopter 724 hotels, 1 to the north, off airport landing, 2 to the north, East Kansas City.
I feel like it was an airplane.
Caution. Caution. Terrain. Terrain.
66 Fox here on frequency.
See all the smoke?
Yeah? Fireworks.
Caution. Terrain.
Why is it saying drain? What? We're flying sideways.